our way home. Trip is over. We got 3 days to get home. We'll show you South Dakota, Minnesota, and Wisconsin now. Let's go. Guys, on our way home, I-90 East is Wall, South Dakota, where Wall Drug is located. It's the oldest, supposedly the oldest drugstore in the country. So we're gonna go check it out, stop by, and also that's where Badlands Harley Davidson is. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Look at this, wow. Yeah, right there, Wall Drug and Cafe. Yeah, Badlands Harley. Wow, it's huge. Thank you. So how you doing today? Pretty good? How's that cigarette? That's pretty cool. Wow. How old is Wall Drug? When did it start?
How old? 1931.
1931, wow, okay. Oldest in the country, right?
Now the oldest drugstore in the country is in Topeka, Kansas.
Topeka, Kansas?
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha, okay. All right, thanks, buddy. Well, either way, that's pretty old. 1931.
Smarts? Think again there, feller. For a small price, old Pappy will tell you how much you don't know.
All right, so we stopped at, we're in Wall, got gas, still got 1,646 miles to go, but we checked out the Badlands Harley Davidson dealer, Wall Drug Store. Yeah, so we killed a couple birds with one stone here. So we stopped to get some gas and to stretch the legs out. Glenn was actually pulling the bike around. I noticed his rear tire was low, and upon further inspection, right there, friggin' nail in the tire. So thank God I got all my stuff. I got the tire plug kit, and that's what I was telling you guys. Make sure you got a pump, make sure you got the tire plug kit. We're gonna plug it up and fill it up. So as I showed you guys, this is the tool, this is the plug, and you just thread it in. Done this 1,000 times to my kids' cars. So I pulled it out a little bit. It's right there sticking out, but it grinded the head off. Oh wow!
Fucking went in sideways, huh?
Yeah.
Shit. Wow, we getting it backwards.
Backwards, holy shit.
Christ.
So now you gotta clean it with this tool. You wanna pull it in, pull it out a couple times. So now it's going in easier. And now air's gonna come out. Now this is a fucking fun part.
Yep.
Go. One more time. Yep. One more. Oh, okay.
All right, cool.
Oh,
I'll cut it with my knife.
I got a
sharp
knife. Yeah, I got a knife. Oh man, let me show him. See that? Glenn's gonna cut it now, nice and flush. Hang on. And that's it.
Hopefully.
Oh, I'll hold.
No worries.
Oh my God! But you see,
it ain't easy.
if you don't have a tire plug kit, this showed you guys. If you don't have a tire plug kit and you're fucking stranded somewhere in Nebraska or Colorado, you're calling a tow truck. This is what you need. You need a Leatherman with a knife and pliers. You need that tire plug kit that I told you guys about, and you need a portable air pump, and you're good to go. Stopped at the Dairy Queen. You know what I had, right? Had a strawberry sundae. Yeah, it was damn good. Let's see, stopped in Jackson, Minnesota. We got another 1,268 miles. We're gonna get back on a highway, hopefully do another 100, 150, stop and eat something, and then take a rest, and we'll figure out if we're gonna go anymore. But Glenn's tire seems to be holding, right? Yeah. Plug works. Got a little over 500 miles, I don't know, 550. Stopped for some gas, and we got to eat dinner, and it dropped big time here in Minnesota. 64 degrees. It's really chilly, so we're gonna bundle up a little bit, eat something, and then we'll be back on the road. There was a sign that said McDonald's, Arby's, gas station food, a couple other things, and then it said Applebee's. Applebee's it is. Some major calories right there. Major. You eat that, you're good for a week. Little coffee, little tacos. Glenn's got
French onion soup.
French onion. Little salada. I'm feeling a little warmer, and slapped the sweatshirt on. I'm gonna slap my Indy Ridge gloves on. My boots are obviously Indy Ridge. I'm nice and toasty. I'm gonna slap my Indy Ridge face mask on right now, and we're gonna be good to go. Hopefully we could maybe get another 200 miles or so, and then we're gonna need to find a hotel. Hopefully we can, because we're kind of in the middle of nowhere.
The Mississippi River in Minnesota. How cool is that? But I can't see anything. It's dark.
All right, guys, it's 9:30. Finally found the hotel, Holiday Inn Express in La Crosse, Wisconsin. Oh my God, I literally called, I think, 7 hotels. I think there's like probably 20 weddings going on near the La Crosse area here, because they were all booked due to weddings. So anyway, lights out for today. My bike, Glenn's bike. We also brought Tom with us. We met Tom. There's a street glide, and you know, that's what I love about this biker community. We were at a hotel, it was full, and Tom pulled up, and I told him it was full, but I looked up this hotel and I knew there were rooms. So I told Tom, I said, listen, why don't you follow us 5 miles? We'll come to this hotel. So he did, and he got himself a room. So we met Tom from Maryland. We're gonna wake up early and try to do another 700-800 miles, see how it is. Hopefully the weather holds up, because it was raining when we pulled up. So I'm tired. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. 5:30 a.m. Slept really good. Bed was really comfortable. And gonna have some coffee, and we're gonna head out. Little tired. Roads through Minnesota are hit or miss. They're either really good brand newer concrete or really horrible. A lot of bumps. We actually did 660 miles yesterday. We took a little time at Wall, South Dakota, to check out Wall Drug and Badlands Harley Davidson, but that's kind of a must stop.
Saturday morning, 6:45 a.m. Nice weather here in La Crosse, Wisconsin.
So we just stopped in Indiana, get gas. We got about 350 miles in, around 650 yesterday. So about 1,000 miles, I guess. How you feeling, buddy?
Very good. Like a bear.
He's a beast, this guy. Anyway, we're gonna stop, but we're watching this right here. Wait until it, see? We're here by South Bend, Indiana, and that's coming down, this big storm right here. So we're gonna be running probably straight into that. So we're gonna have to keep an eye out on that. But other than that, both bikes are running beautiful, and we're gonna go inside, get something to drink, maybe something to eat, and we're gonna hit it again.
Starting to rain again. Yeah, baby.
I am off to invisible grounds. Don't know when to stop. Returning, it's not the way.
Just ate at Cozumel. We're gonna go about another hour and then stop in Grove City, Pennsylvania. And that's it for today.
I'll see it clearer now. I'm learning the path as I go. Everybody knows it's spoken on the radio. There is a truth in the lies. I dare to leave you twice. There's no.
Okay, final stretch home. Up early, got about another 350 miles to go, and I'll be home, and this trip will be over. Gotta wash Silverback. It's absolutely filthy, but no issues. Absolutely ran beautiful. The basically 5,000 miles on this trip. So probably 4,400 on this bike and almost 600 on the CVO, the orange CVO that we borrowed from Harley Davidson, but absolutely zero issues. Ran really good. Let's go.